basic one here. So make so C010 and here also you can see this evidence. So what happens for this C010 these many for C010 material group for packaging material, these many packaging material types are allowed. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and it means that whichever packaging material created under this packaging material type is allowed to this WM material. Understood? Got it? Any doubt?
No, understood.
Yeah.
So it means that when we have assigned this material group packaging material C010, it means that whichever created under this packaging material type, whichever packaging material created under this packaging material type are all allowed to this material. Okay, so I have created one packaging material name as packing MM03. So packaging materials are always created under the material type packaging. Okay, VRP material type. So for that you will have a respective fields to maintain. So what in here you will assign that this packaging material belongs to which packaging material type. So here you assign in the sales and general plant view. When you assign this, it means that this packaging material is maintained to this packaging material type, which means that it can be useful for packing WM since it has assigned to this C010 as material group for packing material. Okay. So
I have
when you do this, yes.
Yeah, I'm sorry to interrupt. Actually, just so that I can understand this better, one of the projects I worked, they had a customized material type for that for packaging, but those packaging materials they used to buy, they were actually, for example, it was a process industry. They were selling the food products in the different packages. Some in some in paper bags, some in plastic containers, some in plastic jugs. So that is something different, right? That is something different. Right now, what I'm seeing is the packaging materials which you are procuring for bringing the raw materials. It's not the packaging materials with which you are dispatching your finished materials, right?
No, you can use either. Like the handling unit means you want to pack your material.
Okay.
So handling unit means you want to pack your material. Okay, like irrespective of your procuring or doing it. So you want to pack whenever you want to goods to issue or you want to do any goods to sale. First you want to pack it. So in order to pack it, you want to define some allowed packing materials. That is what we are doing it here.
Okay.
So by maintaining all these till now, we see that we can manually select the packing material and do it. Okay, the manual process. Like whenever we do any outbound delivery, if you want to pack it, then system will recommend you what are the packing materials available for this material. But we don't want that way. We want it. The system should automatically pack for a material. It should not ask me for any recommendation. Whenever I go for a pack tab, it should automatically pack it. For that, what we need to do, we need to define automatic packing. Okay, automatic packing should be configured. So in that way, what we do is, we have here automatic packing. In automatic packing, first what we do is packing instruction master data. So we define the number ranges for packing instruction. Packing instructions are the condition records when you work for a pricing procedure. Okay? It is similar as the condition records maintained for a pricing procedure. In the same way, for packing, we define here as a packing instruction. So we are defining the number ranges for the packing instruction. So since there is standard order, I have not maintained anything. And then go to determination of packing instruction. So define key for packing instruction. It means that we are defining the tables here. Okay. Likewise, you remember how to determine the pricing procedure? Anybody?
The question? What is the question?
Hello?
Hello? Yeah, what is the question?
How do we define a pricing procedure?
How we define
The pricing procedures.
I'm not understanding. Once more, what procedures?
The pricing procedures.
Pricing procedures. Okay. We first do a calculation schema for that purchase organization, and attached to that calculation schema are the condition types. Which we use for that purchase organization, and then we define access sequence if we want that purchase pricing conditions to look for the condition records automatically. If not automatically, then we check the manual and we do not put the access sequence. And while defining each condition type, we can define that whether it is a percentage or whole figure or based on quantity, and there are several other configurations which we would do.
So it is also a similar process where here we see what we define access sequence.
Assam, one thing. In WM also we need to in WM also we need to configure separate pricing procedure, or whatever we are using MM is the same here also.
Yeah, no. We will go. We haven't gone to that level yet. I'll complete by this session today. We haven't gone for WM level yet. I'm just defining the handling unit management to the IM level, and later I'll give you the configuration details. Okay. So here what we are doing, we are defining the access sequence. So we have RCPT as standard when we define an inbound delivery for a packing instruction. So we'll see what are the fields are available for this. See, material, plant, vendor, and material. So with this combination, you can maintain the packing instructions. That is nothing but a condition record. So you define the access sequence, and then you determine determination type. It means that same as a condition type. In the condition type, you define a condition type here as RCPT for inbound delivery packing instructions. Since it is a standard, you can use of it. And you have assigned this to the access sequence RCPT again here, if you see. Okay? And then what you do, you define a procedure. Define procedure for packing instructions. So we can use of this packing for goods receipt. So you go here and define. So you have maintained this condition type. Okay? So in this procedure, you maintain this condition type as RCPT. And then what you do, then you have to link it to the inbound delivery, right? For that we have here as a maintain packing transaction profile. So like you define a purchase organization group, and then you assign to the document type or purchase organization. Whenever you use this organization, the system will determine the pricing procedure, right? In the same way, there should be some link whenever you create an inbound delivery, the system should determine this procedure, right? For that, what we have here is we have a packing transactions profile. Packing transaction profile is the standard profiles has been created for different areas such as inbound delivery, outbound delivery, return deliveries, returns, shipment, outbound. Like these are the standards which has been maintained, which has been provided by SAP standard, and which is linked to the respective areas. And we cannot create a new one or we can delete it. You can only go and make some changes. So in here what I have done, I have assigned this packing determination. Okay, I have assigned the 00 for packing user. So it means that whenever you create an inbound delivery, system goes search for this particular packing determination. Okay. Now what I do, I should create one packing instruction now. So there I go some central function and in unit. So master data. So packing instruction. So packing instruction. Let's see. Before going to this, I need to maintain a packing instruction determination record. Let's see. So determination like nothing but a condition record. So I am maintaining for RCPT. So what I have done, I have maintained with respect to the material plant vendor. I maintain one record. It's for packaging, for material packaging. Okay. For plant Azam. Okay. For material WM and the plant Azam, so whenever it procures from vendor Azam, it should have a packing instruction as 231. So what is a packing instruction? Packing instructions are you maintain here, not here. So you define a packing instruction first. Okay. So packing instruction says what is the packing 231? 231. It says that for the material packing, so these are the materials allowed. Okay, in which way? Like 10 quantity. Every time you procure 10 quantity, like if you are procuring 100 quantity, then system should pack this material with the packaging as a packing material. It should pack with the 10 quantity. Okay, that is the instruction you are giving to the system. Whenever whenever system picks up this packaging as a packing material, then it is allowed to pack these materials with the quantity of 10 each. So what I have done, I have maintained the packing instructions and maintained the packing record. So I have assigned. So whenever I procure a material WM for a plant Azam with the vendor Azam, it should always prefer, it should go for a packing instruction 231. 231 is this materials can, whenever these materials are procured, it should use a packing material and pack it for the quantity of 10. Okay, so these things are all should be set now. So if now you see how it automatically pack it.
Can you repeat this process please once? This display packaging instruction 231, how
Okay.
once more please.
So what I have done is, I have defined all the configuration. Now I want to maintain the records at the master data level. So before doing that, what should I do is, I should define the packing instruction. In that, I have created a packing instruction as, what is this? What is it has come like this? Why is this coming as dash dash dash? Okay, anyways, I'm telling you, like, see, what happens, like, I'm defining a packing instruction. It means that packing instruction means, whenever you procure the packing material as packaging as a packing material, so what are the materials are allowed? Like, what are the materials it should prefer? So, for packing materials, the material WM and WM1 should pack with a quantity of 10. I'm giving the instruction to the system that, okay, pack this material. Whenever I go for a WM material, pack with every time with 10 quantities with this packaging material. Okay, so in that I have given the instruction. And then what I am doing, I am defining and maintaining the condition record for that. Somebody has done something else. Somebody would have done, no, they should have done some bad or exit.
Okay, can I say one thing? The material which you chose was testing WM, right? In the POP3?
No. I have, see, these days we were doing for a material WM, no? Now what is happening, something has been changed. The adapter, somebody would have done something. Now it is impacting that, it's saying that WM material is longer than the length. He has changed the length to 0 character. Normally it is a 18, no? Somebody has changed it to 0. Somebody has done some customizing. That is not the issue with the standard. Why do people change the standard thing there? So these freshers, they are very enthusiastic. They want to do a lot of they can't change the standards also. Very no, see, everything is like, whatever master data we have created now, all got respect.
Yeah.
Let's see, and you can't understand if I start doing it. It's not accepting. The material length itself has been changed.
Yeah. Let's go and change the material number range.
Not number range. The length of the material, we have changed the length of the material itself.
Okay.
In somewhere in ABAP, what happens, they will like, in the domain, the domain of that field there.
Oh, okay. The length type.
Got it?
Yeah.
The length, they have changed.
Yeah,
it.
the length. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There are some user exists, to change the length or to maintain the data.
Yes.
Even in that case also they do it. Let's see, we do see that.
It's a standard table, right? And the length is which? Let's go.
No, it is standard. Why do they
Yeah.
interrupt the standards here?
Yeah.
See, it will spoil the complete system, no?
Yeah. Can we do like this? Let's go to AC11.
Math
It's
table,
again-
what is the
Pull up the Mara table. Go to the data element corresponding to the material number, and then let's see that if the system is allowing me to change the length of that number.
Sam, we'll check in the table mat. What is the length?
Let's go for
character they have
change
changed.
or display. Okay. Just look, have a look at the
This is given
display.
18 only. Is there 18 is there, but somebody would have
18 yeah.
activated some user exit or body. Okay, it has changed, but there might be some body which will do some additional functionality.
Okay, let me provide you one material of my own. We can then extend that to if that is. Let's just
No, it's not about your material. It's completely
publicate the
standard itself has changed. Let's see. Give me your material.
Entire things they have changed.
100.
Give me your material.
Yeah, 100. 100. Yeah, that. Yeah, those change. Okay.
Entries too long. We have changed the format to dash 1 2 3. Very earlier. We should have our own system, man.
Yes.
You can see recent application, recent baddies feature updated. Just now somebody has done something, no? Just now I believe. It was working well, and suddenly it has stopped. So we'll stop the class then, we'll see. I'll talk to Murli then.
Okay.
Even if I want to create a new material, it's not accepted. Format is some dash 1 to 3. What is this format here? So you can create material like this. Now from now onward, again no, only 1 to 3 will do. Huh? Okay, then we'll start the class today.
Yeah, we need to talk to Murli that give our system on, because if if even in practice it will create problem. So
Yeah, because he has to provide a individual system.
exactly.
No? Because Murli has called just now. 1 second, I'll talk to him.
Yeah.